Good morning, everyone. This is Jason Franklin from the National Weather Service in Raleigh, and it's time for our weekly weather briefing covering October 23rd to October 29th. And looking at the week's worth of weather maps here, on the upper left is the current or the forecast for today and into tomorrow, Tuesday. And what you see is a cold front that's slicing across North Carolina and pretty much of the East Coast today with scattered showers and thunderstorms. And that front will be moving off the East Coast as you look onto the next screen there by midweek, and things will be drying out and cooling off. By late in the week, high pressure will be over much of the southeast, but looking to the west, there's another cold front there in the Mississippi Valley down into Texas, and that system will be moving through the Carolinas by the upcoming weekend. But as far as today is concerned into early Tuesday, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across much of central North Carolina, and this includes Winston-Salem, Greensboro, Durham, Raleigh, Fayetteville, Greenville, all of pretty much the entire area. By tomorrow, that risk moves northeast into the Delmarva, and we are just left with some general thunderstorms, mainly east of I-95, and that should be mainly during the day Tuesday. And by Wednesday, the severe threat is pretty much all gone. But as far as the severe weather threat today into tonight across central North Carolina, there is a risk. The main threat is going to be damaging straight line winds, and that'll be prevalent throughout much of central North Carolina from this afternoon into early tonight. There is a risk of some isolated tornadoes, and that greatest threat is going to lie across southern and western portions of the Piedmont into the Sandhills. Any stronger storm may produce some large hail, perhaps up to about an inch in diameter, but that will be mainly over the southern counties. And flash flooding may be possible across the urban areas with torrential rainfall occurring in a very short period of time. Lightning activity with these thunderstorms and showers moving through later today into tonight won't be too frequent, but it'll be the highest concentration of lightning will be across the south. So as far as the timing of the convection coming through later today into tonight, western portions of the area, for instance, the western Piedmont into the Triad region, we're looking at between 5 and 8 p.m. In the Triangle, down to Fayetteville, we're looking at 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. And mainly east of I-95, we're looking at 11 o'clock and beyond. The latest radar simulations are showing the bands of thunderstorms again to be in the western sections of the region late this afternoon, and then progressing eastward over the evening hours to be in the Triad area between 4 and 8 p.m. In the Triangle area, roughly between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. and east of I-95 after 11 o'clock tonight. Rainfall amounts, again with the cold front and associated precipitation today into early tomorrow, we're looking at precipitation amounts perhaps a half an inch to 1 1/4 inches, with the higher amounts in the mountains of western North Carolina, where, as you can see, in excess of 2 to 3 inches is possible. But once the front moves through Tuesday, the rainfall will end, and we're looking at a dry period and cooler Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The next system will be coming in to the picture here Saturday and Sunday with about a half an inch of rainfall expected. And then looking beyond for the latter days of October into early November, we're looking at a cooler period here with below normal temperatures favored, and a dry period as well with below normal precipitation expected. And as far as the tropics, there is an area in the Western Caribbean that is forecast to develop over the next 5 days and then gradually move northwestward to northward over time. But right now there is nothing in the tropics, and this is just a forecast over the next 5 days of something forecast to develop. So in summary, convection today into early tonight. As a cold front moves through the area, the main threat will be damaging winds. Isolated tornadoes are possible, again, mainly across western southern portions of the Piedmont into the Sandhills. Once the cold front moves through on Tuesday, cooler temperatures are in store for the rest of the work week, and it'll be dry and sunny, and some showers return by the weekend. And there's the 7-day forecast for the Triangle area. All right, I will open it up to any questions. You're quite welcome, Roger. Okay, I guess there are no more questions. That'll be it. Take care.